What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian from Sonic Speed Shop. On today's episode, we finally get to tell you guys what we've been working so hard on doing. So the past couple months, we've been working really hard to present everything for you guys today. And without further ado, I present you guys our very first project car, the 2000 Ford Mustang GT. Alright, so it's not the best looker right now, but trust me guys, we're gonna turn this GT into the ultimate street car. I'm talking about we're taking everything out of this car, gutting it from the engine, transmission, the whole drivetrain, down to the bare bones of the car. We're taking out the interior, everything. And from that point on, we're putting all the best parts in it. Everything that can make this car fast and reliable, we're putting in. I'm talking from the very best brands, UPR, Team Z, Strain, Aerospace Component, Weld Racing, everything. And to power this beast, we're planning on using a 2020 Ford GT Coyote motor with a 10-speed auto, a turbo, and a whole bunch of boost. Throughout the build, we're gonna be filming it from start to finish, but that's not the best part, guys. The absolute best part about this build is at the end of the whole build, one of you guys are gonna walk away with it. That's right, Sonic Speed Shop is building the ultimate street car, something that you can take to the track and take to a Cars and Coffee the very next day with no trailer needed. Something that you can drive around town with no problem, the ultimate street car. And at the end of the build, we're gonna give it away to one of you guys. So we're gonna turn this 2000 Ford Mustang GT into this, Sonic Speed Shop's very first project car, Project 5-Point Snow White. Let's go. So I started Sonic Speed Shop to build the most badass cars we can possibly build out of this shop and then give them away to one of you guys. We're planning on doing at least one build every 2 to 3 months, and at the end of that process, give it away, whether it be for drag racing, drifting, autocross, airstrip attack, anything that has to do with something going fast, we're gonna build for you guys. And at the end of each build, one of you guys are gonna be getting the keys. Now this giveaway starts August 16th and ends November 14th. Make sure you guys enter in to win this beast right here. Because trust me, when I say we're building the ultimate street car, we're not cutting any corners. I'm talking about from the engine, to the drivetrain, to the suspension, to the actual body of the car, everything is gonna look perfect. So make sure you guys check out our website, sonicspeedshop.com, give us a like on this video, and follow along with us on our journey. Peace. What's up everybody, it's Brian from Sonic Speed Shop. Today is our official launch of our 90-day giveaway. We're gonna turn this 2000 Mustang into the ultimate street car. And for the ultimate street car, you need a little bit of boost. So we're gonna stick this turbo into this Mustang. But we're gonna scrap this motor, and we're gonna put in this 2020 Ford 5.0 with a 10-speed automatic. We're gonna take 90 days to put it all together, and then we're gonna give it to one of you guys. Stay tuned. Let's go.